My ears are burning. Oh God, it's Jonathan. Dude, you're on camera. My sister is sleeping still.
Okay, nice knowing you.
The other sign's by McDonald's.
Followers? I'm dying. Also, don't forget to leave me likes in heaven. Don't forget to leave me likes when I'm up in the big light. Cause I'm dying.
You can hear the one all the way at McDonald's, and you can hear the one all the way.
Yeah, man. I just came over here. And
you're not dying.
Hey guys, did you know I have Alpha Sapphire? Pokemon Alpha Sapphire. Real good game,
Wait,
actually. I got a
You
lot.
can hear the one from you can hear the one from Coal City.
Yeah.
Wait.
Stupid.
Wait.
They're still going over at Coal City. And my DS is sadly charging. Wow.
You can hear them in other cities. That's how loud they are. Like this one just right over here is down the street. Like my ears are like bleeding.
Yeah, my ears are like, shut the beep up.